Think toothpaste is just for brushing your teeth? Think again. Today, I'm about to show you 8 genius ways you can use toothpaste around the house that'll blow your mind. So grab a tube, buckle up, and don't blink. These tips are that good. Make sure to stick around until the end, because number 8 is a total game changer. Hack number 1. Make your cutlery shine like new. Got dull, stained spoons and forks hiding in your drawer like they've been through a war? Don't toss them. Just rub a little toothpaste on them, give it a good polish, and watch the magic happen. The mild abrasives in toothpaste act like tiny scrubbers, bringing back that mirror shine in no time. Hack number 2. Faucets. So bright, you'll need sunglasses, bathroom and kitchen faucets looking a little meh. Let's bring the sparkle back. Grab your toothpaste and rub it gently onto the faucet surface. After a quick rinse and a dry wipe, boom! Your tap looks like it came straight out of a luxury showroom. Hack number 3. Bye-bye garlic hands. We've all been there, chopping onions or garlic, and then your hands smell like an Italian restaurant for days. Even soap says, "Sorry, can't help." Rub some toothpaste onto your hands like soap, rinse off, and enjoy the fresh, minty aroma. Your hands will thank you, and so will anyone standing near you. Hack number 4. Sink so fresh, it could be on a magazine cover. Your sink works hard. Time to show it some love. Whether it's in your kitchen or bathroom, stainless steel sinks can get grimy fast. Just spread some toothpaste, scrub gently with a damp sponge or cloth, rinse thoroughly and dry. You'll be amazed how fresh and sparkling it looks. Seriously, it might just become your favorite spot in the house. Hack number 5. Make those dirty sneakers dance again. Got white shoes that have turned not so white? No worries, grab an old toothbrush and some toothpaste. Scrub away the grime, give the toothbrush a splash of water now and then, and keep going. Once you wipe them clean with a damp cloth, those kicks will look brand new. Street ready once again. Hack number 6. Grout lines that deserve a standing ovation. Tiles may be easy to clean, but grout, that's another story. Fear not, our toothpaste hero saves the day again. Apply some to an old toothbrush, add a little water, and scrub those grout lines. You'll see the dirt lift away like magic, leaving your bathroom or kitchen looking freshly tiled. Hack number 7. Buff out phone scratches like a pro. Got tiny scratches on your phone screen? Put a dab of non-gel toothpaste on a soft cloth and gently buff the screen in circles. And you'll notice those pesky little marks are much less noticeable or gone altogether. Hack number 8. Crayon on the wall. No panic required. If your kids decided your wooden door was the perfect canvas for their wax crayon masterpiece, don't freak out. Just put some toothpaste on a cloth and start rubbing gently. Like an eraser with superpowers, the toothpaste will lift those colorful smudges right off. Liked these hacks? Give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends so they don't miss out on these cleaning miracles. Don't forget to subscribe for more clever tips, and as always, take care and may your home sparkle and shine.